evening, everyone. Third standard A section, PU Mukund, 75 meters running, first prize. Hurdles, first prize. Potato gathering, second prize. S. Sumint Kant, second prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles, first prize in potato gathering. S. Naveen, third prize in 75 meters running. Sanjay, third prize in hurdles. Kanishkar, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard A section girls, T. Satvika, first prize in 75 meters running, first prize in hurdles. S. Mohita, second prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles, first prize in potato gathering. Kavya Sri, third prize in 75 meters running. Filsat Azim, third prize in hurdles, third prize in potato gathering. Nivedita, second prize in potato gathering. Third standard B section, Jan Aston, first prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles. G.S. Prajin, second prize in 75 meters running. Janice Emmanuel, third prize in 75 meters running. Suprit, first prize in hurdles, first prize in potato gathering. Kevin, third prize in hurdles. Jaya Vignesh, second prize in potato gathering. Siddharth, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard B section, Inita, she has won 3 medals. First prize in 75 meters running, first prize in hurdles, third prize in potato gathering. Shiny Benila, second prize in 75 meters running, first prize in potato gathering. Tanishka, third prize in 75 meters running, third prize in hurdles. Mahita Sri Manasa, second prize in hurdles. Hanishka, second prize in potato gathering. Third standard C section, Kamsigan, first prize in 75 meters running, first prize in hurdles. Mridul Sundar, second prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles. Agaran Mayavan, third prize in 75 meters running. Vetri Velan, third prize in hurdles. Tavanishwar, first prize in potato gathering. Jayavant, second prize in potato gathering. Jagan Prabhu, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard C section girls, Akshaya, first prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles. Danyashree, second prize in 75 meters running, second prize in potato gathering. Tanusha, third prize in 75 meters running. Jeshna, first prize in hurdles, third prize in potato gathering. Harshini, third prize in hurdles. Lohita Shanti, first prize in potato gathering. Third standard D section boys, Pragadish, first prize in 75 meters running, first prize in hurdles. Rakshan, second prize in 75 meters running. Akhilesh, third prize in 75 meters running, third prize in hurdles. Monishwaran, second prize in hurdles, second prize in potato gathering. Sai Varshan, first prize in potato gathering. Akash, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard E section girls, Ben Kamasti, first prize in, she has won 3 first prizes, 75 meters running, hurdles and potato gathering. Mahati Prasanna, second prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles, second prize in potato gathering. Niveda, third prize in 75 meters running, third prize in potato gathering. Pritika, third prize in hurdles. Third standard E section boys, Keshav, he has won 3 first prize in all the event, 75 meters running, hurdles and potato gathering. Geshnu, he has won second prize in 75 meter running, second prize in hurdles. Ashwin Ram, third prize in 75 meters running. Kirti Vasan Suresh, third prize in hurdles, second prize in potato gathering. Hashwin, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard E section girls, Hoshini, first prize in all the event, 75 meters running, hurdles, potato gathering. Muzaina Beham, second prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles. Devadarshini, third prize in 75 meters running, third prize in potato gathering. Harshita, third prize in hurdles, second prize in potato gathering. Third section F section boys, Mason Mark Michael, first prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles. Nikhil Samsurel, second prize in 75 meters running. Roopnath, third prize in 70 meters running, first prize in hurdles. Sudeep Saran, third prize in hurdles. Enoch Sebashan, first prize in potato gathering. Jay Pranavan, second prize in potato gathering. Hemant Sri, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard F section girls, Hashika, she has won first prize in 75 meters running and hurdles too. Mridula, second prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles. Divyashree, third prize in 75 meters running, first prize in potato gathering. Sudiksha, third prize in hurdles, second prize in potato gathering. Leja Sri, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard G section boys, Sujan, he has won first prize in 75 meters running and hurdles. Tarun, in all the event he has won second prize, 75 meters running, hurdles, potato gathering. Nitin Sai, third prize in 75 meters running, third prize in hurdles. Ashwin, first prize in potato gathering. Susinda, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard G section girls, Soundarya, first prize in 75 meters running. Pamishiti Abhinetra, second prize in 75 meters running, first prize in hurdles, first prize in potato gathering. Swatika, third prize in 75 meters running, second prize in hurdles. Samantha, third prize in hurdles, second prize in potato gathering. Lakisha, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard head section boys, Jayant, he has won 3 first prizes in all the event, 75 meters running, hurdles, potato gathering. Adavan, second prize in 75 meters running. Darshan, third prize in 75 meters running. Jitish, second prize in hurdles. Sanjay, third prize in hurdles. Nitin, second prize in potato gathering. Kaushik Raj, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard head section, Jayana, first prize in 75 meters running, third prize in hurdles. Yashika, second prize in 75 meters running. Prajana, third prize in 75 meters running. Ashwini Priya, first prize in hurdles and first prize in potato gathering. Gopika, second prize in hurdles. Mridula, second prize in potato gathering. Lekha, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard I section boys, Akshat, she has won 2 first prizes in 75 meters running and hurdles. Rakshan, second prize in 75 meters running and second prize in hurdles and third prize in potato gathering. Deepan, third prize in 75 meters running. Varun, third prize in hurdles. Yashwant, first prize in potato gathering. Sanjay, second prize in potato gathering. Third standard I section girls, Selena Blasi, first prize in 75 meters running, third prize in hurdles, third prize in potato gathering. Veda Sri, second prize in 75 meters running, first prize in hurdles, first prize in potato gathering. Jerlin Joy, third prize. Yuvani Sri, second prize. In the both the events, second prize. Third standard J section boys. Okay. Adityan, first prize. Tanuj, second prize. Darshan Sri Kumaran, third prize. Darshan, second prize. Ashwant, first prize. Tejas Krishna, second prize. Third J girls. Kanishka, first prize. Ashpita, first prize in hurdles. Sri Bhumanika, third prize. Ramakritika, second prize. Third standard K section boys. Rudra, first prize. Ashwant Mani, second prize. Hashwant Kumar, third prize. Nitin Sabari, second prize. Ritik Aditya, second prize. Mahadesh, third prize in potato gathering. Third standard K section girls. Sai Sadhana, first prize. Soumya, second prize. Charulata, third prize. Netra, second prize. Third standard L section boys. Vetrivel, first prize. Muhammad Akib Salman, second prize. Pranav Kumar, third prize. Jaswin, second prize. Deep Himasai, third prize. Third standard L section, girls. Rai, first prize. Samyukta, second prize. Atmika, third prize. Mrudula Sachika, second prize. Yashira, first prize in potato gathering. Third standard M section boys. Dev Arjun, first prize. Venkatasai Krishna, second prize. Achit Kumar Dev, third prize. Ramanathan, second prize. Ram Charan, third prize. Third standard M section girls, Farin Sultan Samana, second prize. Maithili Shetty, third prize. Mitra Pandian, first prize. Darshini's third prize. Prapti, second prize. Anushka, third prize. Third standard N section, Sarvesh, first prize. Kribagaran, second prize. Sai Sharan, third prize. Sai Sanjan, third prize. Third N, Sai Tanishka, first prize. Evangeline, second prize. Priyadarshini, third prize. Vishita, third prize. Niveda, first prize. Hansika, third prize. Third standard O section, Lohitaksha, first prize. Tarun Balaji, second prize. Prajan, third prize. Jeffrey Kingsley Pal, second prize. Third standard O section girls, Sai Vaishnavi, first prize. Varnika, third prize. Ashrita, second prize. Third standard P section, boys. Darshan, first prize. Madasami, second prize. Bhushan, third prize. Samson Himalan, second prize. Paul Harris, third prize. Danyashri, first prize. Bhargavi, second prize. Dashwini, third prize. Rashika, third prize. Fourth B girls, Mahalakshmi, first prize. Richika, second prize. Logamitra, third prize. Kirtana Priya, second prize. Rudva, third prize. Ramya Shri, second prize. 4C girls, 4C boys. Vaishnav, first prize. Neelesh, second prize. Kevin Kamalesh, third prize. Tejashwin, third prize. Sai Prasad, first prize. Deepak Raj, second prize. 4C girls, Pabita, first prize. Hansika Andrea, second prize. Hasini, third prize. Sanjana, third prize. Swastika, first prize. Varsha, third prize. Yuvashri, third prize. 4D boys. Sachin, first prize. Yashwant, second prize. Adil, first prize. Tarun Sanjay, second prize. Sarvesh, third prize. Sanjeev, second prize. Parthiban, third prize. Fourth standard D section girls. Hasini, second prize. Pratiksha, first prize. Akshaya, third prize. Monica, second prize. Sahitya Sri, third prize. 4E boys. Bhavesh Khanna, first prize. Yogeshwaran, second prize. Vikrant, third prize. Tarun Dev, first prize. Ritik Kumar, second prize. Siva Subramaniam, third prize. Kishore, second prize. Keshav, third prize. 4E girls. Vedavarshini, first prize. Shivapriya, second prize. Sadhana, third prize. Idaya, second prize. Jayalakshmi, second prize. Haridarshini, third prize. 4F boys. Darshan, first prize. Monish Roshan, second prize. Shaktivel, third prize. Gautam, third prize. Tarun, second prize. Surender, second prize. Tarun R, second prize. 4F girls. 4F girls winners are Samrita, third prize. Shweta, second prize. Pratiksha, third prize. Okay. Devadarshini, Shobika, Nishita, Harsha Prasanna. 4G boys, the winners are Prashant, Yukendran, Girish, Kribanand, Tenapan, Harshit Kumar, Srihari. 4G girls winners are Shenbagavalli, Madhumita, Nisri Nisha,